Dear Deflecto, I am a goddess of cleanliness. Ask anyone, and they will tell you that my home is the cleanest on Spring Street. Every room is spick and span. Even my laundry room is pristine. It's so clean, I could even have Thanksgiving dinner in there this year. But last week, as I was folding a happy little load of laundry, a horrifying thought occurred to me. What could be lurking in the dryer vent? My extensive and very thorough online research brought me to your product. All those 5-star reviews. Thank God for same-day delivery. I clean the lint filter with every load. Sometimes I just clean it to clean it, so I didn't know what to expect. But howdy doody was it gross. So I decided to take my extremely powerful blower and plug it into the vent from the outside of the house.
At Deflecto, we support enthusiastic and what some might label fanatical cleanliness. Should you decide to use a 44-horsepower Wombat 3000 gas-powered blower as a finishing step, remember to always blow residual debris from inside to outside.
Visibility in the laundry room was 0. Instinctively, Mr. Woofins and I hit the deck. The coughing started immediately, and I regretted not teaching Mr. Woofins CPR. My broom and dustpan were making a run for it. But I've yet to meet a mess that I couldn't best. It was touch and go there for a second, but I owe you a huge thank you. I never knew how much lint was in our vents until I used your product, and now my dryer vent is as pristine as the rest of my home. 5 stars. Thank you, Deflecto.